My hospitality education gave me a strong foundation, but working in the industry truly shaped me. It helps me grow from the front office to becoming a marketing and guest relations manager, where I combine operational knowledge with guest experience and business strategy every day.
My hospitality education has given me a strong foundation of leadership, customer service and finance. Combined hands-on operation has allowed me to solve problems, to understand the situation and run the team in a specific manner.
My hospitality management education has been very valuable because it gave me a strong foundation in customer service, teamwork, communication, and problem solving. It also helped me become more confident in handling daily operations and delivering excellent guest services.
My hospitality management education gave me a strong foundation in customer service, hotel operations, communication, and problem solving. Through practical training and internships, I gained the confidence to handle real workplace situations professionally. Oh, I love working in hospitality because I enjoy meeting new people, making them feel welcome, and being part of guest special moments like birthdays, anniversary. It's very rewarding.
I love working in hospitality because every day is different and I enjoy meeting people from different cultures. It's rewarding to make guests feel welcome and create memorable experiences.
It allows me to see happy customers. It helps me to understand their problems, understand what their likes and dislikes are, and I try to fulfill it. So it helps me to grow and understand guest satisfaction.
I love hospitality because every day is different. I enjoyed creating memorable experience for guests, building meaningful relationships, and seeing how even small gestures can make someone's stays unforgettable.